The title, What is Stationery Designing, appears with dynamic animations. The title, Why It Matters in Business, is revealed, emphasizing the importance of stationery design. The title animation sets the stage for an informative guide on stationery design. Stationery design encompasses the creation of branded office materials that visually represent a company's identity. These branded materials are typically utilized in official communication, meetings, packaging, and marketing efforts. The purpose of stationery design is to reinforce brand recognition and create a cohesive professional image. Stationery design aims for intention, consistency, and a strong brand identity. Each stationery piece should reflect the company's values and messaging. Effective stationery design reinforces brand recognition and professional communication. Visiting cards, also known as business cards, are essential elements of stationery design. Letterheads and envelopes contribute to a cohesive brand identity through consistent design. File covers, notepads, compliment slips, and email signatures complete the stationery set, reinforcing brand recognition. A business card integrates the company logo, typography, and color scheme to represent brand identity. Contact information on a business card facilitates easy communication with the company or individual. Harmonization of design elements on a business card creates a cohesive and professional brand image. A letterhead includes the company logo to ensure brand recognition. Contact details on a letterhead facilitate easy communication. Consistent design elements on a letterhead ensure a professional appearance. Envelopes are designed with company logos and branding to create a unified look for all outgoing mail. Consistent branding on envelopes reinforces brand recognition among recipients. Unified envelope design contributes to a cohesive brand identity and professional image. Professionally designed stationery enhances brand credibility. High-quality stationery demonstrates a company's commitment to excellence. Attention to detail in stationery reflects positively on a company's overall image. A well-designed business card creates a positive first impression. Positive first impressions from business cards open doors for new business relationships. Business cards can lead to new business opportunities. Consistent stationery design ensures that all communication feels unified. Unified communication reinforces brand recognition. Brand consistency creates a cohesive brand experience. Consistent exposure to well-designed stationery reinforces brand recognition. Repeated positive brand interactions build trust and customer loyalty. Effective stationery design enhances brand recall and positive associations. Stationery items serve as a subtle marketing tool for a company. Each interaction with branded stationery subtly markets the company and its values. Envelopes, letters, and files act as silent ambassadors of the brand. Standard visiting card sizes in the US are typically 3.5 x 2 inches. In Europe, standard visiting card sizes are commonly 3.3 x 2.1 inches. Visiting card sizes may vary slightly by region. The standard letterhead size is A4, measuring 8.27 x 11.69 inches. A 4 letterhead size provides ample space for official correspondence. The A4 format allows for effective integration of branding elements. The DL size, 4.3 x 8.6 inches, is the standard envelope dimension. DL envelopes are designed to perfectly accommodate a folded A4 letter. Using standard envelopes ensures a professional presentation for business correspondence. Stationery design acts as a tangible representation of a business's identity. Effective stationery fosters relationships and creates memorable brand experiences. Thoughtful stationery design communicates a business's values and aesthetic with elegance.